Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today we are continuing with and starting the second chapter of IED, that is Indian Economic Development. In first chapter we have studies Indian economy on the eve of independence. What was the condition of our economy at the eve of independence, that is around 1947. What was the condition of industries, agriculture, demographic pattern, railways, introduction by Britishers, and lots more. Today I am going to start second chapter, that is Indian economy. So in this chapter we will study what is economy, what are the three questions of economy, types of economy, and other concepts related to it. So starting with the first topic, economy. So what is economy? Basically, economics is the study of people residing in a particular area and how they are earning and how they are spending. What is their rate of saving, what is their rate of investment, and what is their pattern of life. So this is all about economy. Now, every economy has to face three questions or have to give the answer of these three questions. Now, what are these three questions? As I have already mentioned it in my whiteboard, that first question is what to produce, in which production of goods or we have to use our limited resources of the country. Second is how to produce. And the third question is for whom to produce. Now, what to produce means there are two things which can be produced. One is consumer good and other is capital good. Consumer goods are those goods which are purchased by the consumer and they are finally consumed by them. That is bread, butter. These are the best example of consumer goods. Capital or producer goods are those goods which are used again and again in the process of manufacturing or in the process of production. Second question is how to produce. So basically there are two techniques. One is labor intensive technique and second is capital intensive technique. Labor intensive technique are those techniques in which the production work is basically carried out by the labor themselves. No machines are required. Whereas capital intensive industries are those industries in which entire production is carried out with the help of machine, like fully automatic machine, semi-automatic machines. Now third is for whom to produce. We can produce goods either for rich or the elite classes, or we can produce goods for the poor or weaker section of the society. So let's find out the answer of these three questions in different types of economy. So basically there are three types of economy. First is capitalist, second is socialist, and third is mixed economy. Now what is capitalist economy? The best example of this economy is America. Here resources are owned, managed and controlled by private sector. The role of government is quite restricted and quite limited, and they work for the benefit and their motive is to earn the money. Second is socialist economy. One of the best example of socialist economy is China. Here the resources are owned, managed and controlled by the centrally planned authority or government itself. The role of private sector here is very limited or few. Here the entire economy is dominated by the work of the government. Now what is mixed economy? The best example of mixed economy is India. In India both government and private sectors are working combinedly. For example, like Reliance and Tata, these are private sector, they are working for earning the profit, whereas like government, BHEL, HPCL, IOC, these are the government companies, they are working for the welfare of the society. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.